this walkthrough of this free scene that will be uploaded on my Patreon. So as you can see, I just played with the microsolver of this Pyro solver just to create more dense and evolving cloud. You will find this file on my Patreon page. So you are hoping you are welcome to join, and a lot of scenes out there, and a lot of collection that you can choose from, all rearranged. And there is a custom membership that will be very much appreciated for your support. So this is the scene file, and as you can see, just let it load a little bit. So this is the scene file. I start with the point that's in the space here. I just move it a little bit up in space. Then what I did here, this all attribute adjustment can be auto-generated from the Pyro burst down here. So you create a Pyro burst. My computer needs to be replaced, really. It's dying very slow. Anyway, so you can play with the shapes and attribute down here for your liking, because it all depends on the source of your Pyro burst. Yeah, how is the Pyro source? It will affect dramatically the shape. Still, it's calculating, taking too much time. So I'll jump right at it and make it as manual. So here, for each one you can press this, so it will create for you the adjustment, and you can modify it. Now let's go to the important stuff down here. Let it open. So in this setup, mainly I'm aiming for more advanced and custom behavior to combine several microsolvers that will drive a unique velocity interaction, just not only relying on the buoyancy of the disturbance, but it's more like generating a new field like energy shock, heat zone, so it will influence the simulation in more interactive way. So this idea is to measure like things like the density, temperature, the speed, the divergence, then blend these results and calculate it to watch the velocity, shaping the turbulence and controlling how the fire might evolve over time. And by this approach we'll reach higher energy areas that will rise fast, swirl, evolve, and make like a shell add motion for the complexity of the density, spreading through the volume. All these are given in this setup. So my computer is killing me, really. So hoping that the file will be uploaded in my Patreon. It's for free for you to play with, build upon, create and enjoy, and you are welcome to join in the community. Thank you very much, and sorry for my computer crappy work. See, it took me like 2 days just to render these couple of frames. It's dying anyway, but I want to put it out so people can play with it and not to delay it for the last minute. Thank you very much and have a nice day.